Hello my friends, and welcome to this video about a Goldenote DAC 7. It's a DAC made and designed in Italy, and maybe even we'll have some time to talk about Wadia 7 remotes. So people worry a lot that sending stuff, I better turn down this Charles Gale trio. The things get damaged on the way when they send things over to me from the eastern seaboard of Australia to the western one, where I am. But nothing ever got damaged. If anything, few things got fixed. And this is prime example. I've been trying to remotely diagnose the faults with this DAC, and I thought I was unsuccessful, so it was sent to me, but it appears now to work just fine, and it sounds great. Not that I know much about. If somebody has any info, any manuals, please let me know. All I can say that this is done on a AK4113VF DAC, which is that baby there. And as you see, it's very densely populated there. It's a modern unit, and they claim that it will support any file of any type from 41 kilohertz to 192 and to 24 bits. So, and it does USB, couple of coaxes and Toslink. So well, it appears to be very good and sounds very good. I'll have to ask the owner again what was the problem, because I've forgotten. The last time we talked about it was a few months ago, and I get so many different pieces of hardware that gets sent that I just forget by the time it gets to my place. Well, so there's nothing really more that I can say other than, that appears to be power supply, nicely encased thing, and these are locally made, locally bought capacitors, and these are probably Nippon Chemical made. Let me talk about Wadia Remotes, and this is where I need help. With one of the players I bought, I had this dog attacked remote. As you see, it's missing a button, and there's a huge indentation there from one of the canine teeth, and it was apparently a big dog. And this is a very hefty remote, so it has survived, and it works fine. But I bought another one, so it was advertised, so I bought this one. This one looks beautiful, but it's completely dead. Now the problem with those things, I could easily make one out of the two, but you see, the screws to get into it are underneath that sticker, and that sticker is stuck on very well. It's very hard to remove it. Now, does anybody out there have a patent of removing them? Will heating them up with a heat gun do it? Or maybe I could buy some of them. Where can you buy them? I wrote to Wadia a couple of times, but they just ignore my request. So surely there should be some of those stickers available as a service item, because if you ever want to fix it, well, you have to get into it, and there's nothing from the back. It's made from one piece. That's just entry to the battery. So please, if you have a trick of how to remove those without damaging them too much, I don't care about that one, but I wouldn't want to damage this one here, then please do let me know or point me to where I can buy them. Well, thank you very much, and till the next.